Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12X and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let's start with the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we're provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which is actually pretty similar to the previous one. It is *#07#. And thanks to this code we can check the maximum SAR level, so we can check the head and the body of our device. Now we can enter the diagnostics, and the code for it is *#426#*#. And here we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can also tap on events and check some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar information. It is *##225#*##. And here we've got the calendar info, so we can check the events which are gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. Let's go back and let me show you another code for the phone software information. It is *#6776#. And here we've got the information just like the exact model, kernel version, branch version, or the region. Let's go back, and another code for the engineering mode. It is *#888#. And here we've got the PCB number of this device. What is more, we can scan this QR code and then check the information, some further details. And the last one is *#800#, and it will open the feedback menu where you can basically report some problems which you meet during using your device. So for example, if you meet the problem with the display, the touch screen, for example, tapping or swiping error, or navigation gestures which are not working, you can simply enter this specific issue. You can turn on the screen recording where you can record the problem you meet. So I highly recommend to tap on always allow. You will record it and then go back here, stop the recording, and send it to the developer, and they will try to fix it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.